Kurumirira kuongerereka kwa namba ya ateng'eri na aria makoretwo makinyitikana na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurirukia icoka guku bururi-ini, riu CS wa mathako Ababu Namwamba niugite nimeguthondeka watho wa kuhurana na thiina uyu. Akiaria rimwe na wa Uasin Gishu, Namwamba ugite bururi wa Kenya no nginya ucokerio gitio kia na hau kabere, akiuga thirikari ndigwitikira giconoko giki githie na mbere.
We have launched a serious war against doping. We are going to be very, very harsh. We are going to make doping very expensive. And we are going to criminalize doping to levels you cannot imagine.
Ihinda-ini riu Namwamba niugite nimekuongerera kigina kia mathako na niguo gukuria iheo cia athaki anini, akiuga aria monekana iheo ngurani ni marirugamagirirwo nginyagia githomo kiao.
An assurance that we are going to have a conversation across government to make sure that sports benefits fully. Sports and the arts benefit fully from the sports fund. And I'll be making some proposals to cabinet and to the rest of to Treasury, cabinet and the rest of government on how we can ensure that sports and the arts are well funded.
Na kurumirira gwikururia gwa kiharo gia Kipchoge, CS wa mathako ni ugite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ikurekereria waki wakio guku akiuga na iharo iria ingicirugamite miena itiganite ni cikurikio.
It is really sad that 9-10 years down the line since I kicked off the works at Kipchoge Stadium, it has never been completed. And I've made my commitment that we are going to make it a priority to get those works completed and facilities across this region, because this really is the cradle of Kenya's athletic prowess. And so Green Stadium in Kericho, there's another Kipchoge Stadium in Kapsabet.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Kuria wa Gishimu.